Are you buying phone numbers through PhoneBurner and taking advantage of number pools to help you better organize the phone numbers that you have? If so, then you may also want to be able to track the connection rate per phone number. And we do have a report for that. So let me show you how you can take advantage of our connection reports. So at the top of the screen, you're going to click on the Reports tab. From here, you're going to see all of the different reporting options that are available in PhoneBurner. And the one that we're going to look at is the connection rate report. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and that's going to take us to the connection rates report where we can choose a date range. By default, it's going to show us today's date, and it's going to list out every phone number that's been used as a caller ID from your number pool. Now keep in mind, this is only numbers that you've purchased from PhoneBurner. If you're using other phone numbers outside of PhoneBurner that you've just activated in your caller ID library, those will not be listed here. It's just numbers purchased through PhoneBurner. And here you'll be able to see, again, every number listed out, the number of calls that those phone numbers have been used as the outbound caller ID, and what the connection rate is for each one of those. So here, looking at just today, we've had a couple dozen phone calls, and you can see the connection rate per phone number. Now, if I want to see a different date range, I just change the start date. Maybe I want to look at a few months worth of data. Select that start date and that end date, hit Generate Report, and the system is going to go through all of my dial sessions and look at all of the phone numbers that were used as outbound caller IDs, and it's going to give me that connection rate report. Now, for those of you who are looking for something a little bit more robust for the numbers that you've purchased through PhoneBurner, I would recommend activating Armor in your account, because there's a whole separate dashboard and reporting for those specific phone numbers and the calls made using an Armor protected phone number. This training is not going to dive into the Armor reporting, but I did want to let you know that if you're looking for deeper and more robust reporting, then I'd highly recommend that you upgrade to Armor so that not only are your phone numbers protected, but you'll be able to dig more deeply into the details. So anyway, I hope this helps you and your organization get more out of your data so that you can truly understand what's going on with the calls that you're making when using a PhoneBurner purchased phone number. Thanks again, and happy dialing.